In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the oil pressure switch on this BMW X5. This is going to be located on the top part of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the engine cover. Just grab underneath, pull up, and pull out. Now we're going to take this clamp off for this tube. There's some clips right here. Just want to pop these clips up with a straight blade screwdriver. Separate that. Then just grab this pipe. You just want to lift it up. Oh, that should pull out just like that. Loosen up this clamp. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. That's good. Then you want to separate that. Pop that off right there. And we're going to grab the airbox, pull it up. There's just grommets holding it down. And pull that out of the way. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide the connector off. Now using a 24mm socket, you'll loosen up the switch. And you can take this out by hand once you break it free. There it is. And take the switch and get it threaded in. I'm going to torque this to 14 foot-pounds and then go an additional 16 degrees. That's good. Take the connector, line the connector up, lock it down. Now take the airbox, get this lined up in the tube, right there, and push it down, get that settled in place. And tighten down the clamp. And just snug that down. And just take this tube, get that lined up, push that down, get the clamp in place. And just tighten down the clamp. If you need to, you can use some pliers, otherwise you just squeeze it. Clamp that in place. That's good. There's a couple of tabs that slide into the slots in the back for the cover. Those slide that in place, and then push it down, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.